Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maria from Crochet Fashion, and today you will see how to crochet my unique complex stitches. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Please join me and let's get started. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 31. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. My foundation chain is ready. Continue. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, then chain more for the pattern. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 7th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make double crochet. Chain. I skip the next stitch. Insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch, make double crochet. Chain, chain, and double crochet. Chain and double crochet. Pattern consists of 12 stitches. I will repeat pattern twice in a row. So I will use 24 stitches for my unique stitches. I will add 7 stitches for a more beautiful look. I continue working on my pattern. My row is ready. Let's crochet the complex stitch. Chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. 8 stitches are for chains to bring up the yarn, and the last one is for chain for the chain space. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. And make double crochet through the next chain stitch. You should leave 2 chains. Yarn over the hook. I skip stitch, then chain space and double crochet, not finish into the double crochet. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. My first half is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the next half. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Like this. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Continue, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into 2 loops. This is the next stitch and the next loop. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Make the 3rd one. Then yarn over the hook, I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the double crochet and make double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I continue. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch. I skip the chain stitch. Make double crochet and finish. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My complex stitch is ready. Here how it looks. I continue working on this row. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I show you how to make the complex stitch based on tall stitch. For this, yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip 1, 2, 3, and insert the hook into the stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I continue working. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair. Insert the hook into the second pair. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. I skip the chain stitch and double crochet knot finish into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. Make double crochet knot finish. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch. Make double crochet knot finish. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I continue working on my second stitch. Chain. Yarn over the hook twice and make first double crochet knot finish. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet knot finish. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second stitch is ready. It is very beautiful and not difficult in the same time. You should crochet as many times as you need. In your case, your row could be longer than mine, so you decided with your own. And now I show you how to crochet the third stitch and how to complete this row. Continue working. Chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next pair. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet not finish into the stitch. Pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. First half is ready. Let's crochet the next one. Chain and make double crochet not finish. 1 2 and 3. Make double crochet not finish. Pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's crochet the third part. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice, and make double crochet not finish. 1 2 and 3. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch from the double crochet. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make double crochet not finish. Pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. Well done. My row of complex stitches is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of double crochet. This is front. It is very easy to make. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn instead of first double crochet, and chain for the chain space. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet, chain and double crochet, chain and double crochet, chain, yarn over the hook, skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make double crochet, chain, I skip first one and double crochet into the second one, chain, I skip and double crochet into the second stitch, chain and double crochet into the double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. This is the back side of my pattern. Let's complete this row with me. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second one. This is the third chain stitch from the bottom. Make double crochet. All done. My row is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of my complex stitches. I will start and you should continue with your own. Make chain of 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Turn the work, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook, make double crochet not finish, continue 2 3, then double crochet into the double crochet and pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. My first half is ready. Let's crochet the second half. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice and make double crochet not finish. 1 2 3, then yarn over, make double crochet not finish, pull through 2 loops, 1 2 3 4 5, make a chain, make the third half, 1 2 and 3, make double crochet not finish, Pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first complex stitch is ready in this row. It is based on the chains. Next complex stitches will be based on the tall stitch. Pattern consists of 12 stitches and has 2 rows. One of these is row of complex stitches and the second one is a row of double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Here what I have at this point. My swatch is ready. It consists of 5 rows. 2 of them are rows. 2 of them are rows of complex stitches. I remind you, my pattern consists of 12 stitches and has 2 rows. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. I repeat one more time. For my complex stitches, I used 24 stitches and I added 7 stitches for a more beautiful look. Don't be afraid to experiment in your pattern. For example, you can crochet complex stitches and to finish a row of complex stitches using the tall stitch, not the complex stitch. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and bye!